Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. All right, guys, so we do have some more spoilers for the August BoxyCharm box. Now, these spoilers are confirmed. So first, I'll show you the ones that we already know about, and then I'll show you the new one. So first is the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Then we have the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. You will get that or the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. And then last but certainly not least, this is the new one. It is Wonder Beauty. And this is the Illuminating Glow Ahead Oil. So as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.